Okay, actually, as I told you before, the cash flow estimation will be useful for estimating the future. Okay, the how much cash inflow and outflow. Okay, how much cash is coming into the company, how much cash is going outside the company. So that is the cash flow. How we are having the credit and debit in our bank basket. The same way we're going to have that the cash flow estimation. For this, actually, there are some special functionalities built in. As I told you that there are the net present value function itself, it helps us to have this. For that, we need the parameter discount rate. Okay, the discount rate we need first. Then we need that, okay, the year, that's for our purpose, okay, the number of years we want. We can have the even the data in the vertical way. The vertical way will be easy for us, but this time we let us have the horizontal way. Okay, the year, then number of year, the discount rate. Then what I'm going to have with that, the actual cash flow. Okay, the cash flow data. Okay, the cash flow data, data cash flow. Then we're going to have that estimation here. So as I told you that the discount rate we can have, so like I'm giving like 20 percentage is the discount rate, but the whole throughout that. So we'll start with the year zero. We are initializing the discount in that year, and then the first year 0 to 1 first year, and the second year, and third year, fourth year, and fifth year till H we can have it. So there are 5 years, but it starts with zero. That's our wish. That is our wish. We can have it from 0, 1 to 3.5 or 1 to 3.5. We can have the cash flow. Let us start with that because I'm giving the money, the investment money, the first money which I'm giving that. So I'm giving that it's about okay. I'm giving that investment or the initial amount by yes. So I'm giving that minus 5,000. It's a simple amount. But in business, they will put huge crores and billions and trillions. They will calculate it, the cash flow. Here, the first year I'm getting back only 2,500 like that. Okay, just in millions. You just consider in millions or lakhs, crores like that. Then the second year, the turnover is coming at 3,670 like this, something like that. I'm giving. Then I'm getting 4,000. Then I'm getting once again 3,000. Sorry, 3,560, and again, and it with the cash flow may vary according to the business. Okay, so how much it's coming and going. So actually, we need to have some detail about this. So we should do some full detail. I think it's gone again. My screen is it visible?
Oh, sir.
Okay, it's not visible. Once again. Okay, so 4,500 this way the cash flow will be like this. But we can have more number of years we can have. So what are we supposed to do it here? So directly we could use that equal to the NPV. NPV means we have that net present value. So the net present value is equal to the rate is 12 percentage which we have in percentage. The 12 percentage means the actual value which will gives us return value means what is the 12 percentage? 0.12, right? That is the value part 0 percentage. Then I'm giving that the range of values could be selected like this. Okay, these are the cash flow values throughout the year. Then press enter, we will get that cash flow. So this is the cash flow, the estimation we have done it. It's very simple. Even you can change the percentage according to the percentage. The cash flow will be increased or decreased. Okay, if you increase the discount rate, then you will get this. Yes, of course, the estimation will be reduced. So if you give the less discount, then you will get more money. Okay, so that's what will happen here. So this is a thing which we're going to have it with a macro program. For that, what should we do? So that's what I'm going to teach you. So now I just remove this. Okay, let us have the same thing. I just copy this as a value. Okay, let us check this whether it's coming or not. Okay, I think you can keep it in your mind. So same 20 percentage, 4,560. So we can have it in rough in our mind. So now I'm going to have here and go to insert, click the button, and I'm creating a button. So this button will help create that estimation. Okay, so okay, the net present value needs to be calculated, or the cash flow estimation. I'm just giving that cash flow estimation. If you want, you can give, or else you can keep it as button. Click once itself. Okay, that's it. So here I'm going to create a variable since it is that the NPV. Okay, the net present value. Okay, the net present value is there in VB itself. See, if you put open bracket, the rate is double. So the comma, if you put comma, the value is an array. So the same function we can have it, but how to take that Excel value to calculate all those things, that is going to be, um, I'm going to tell you how it is. For that, I'm going to declare a variable like discount rate DIS this rate. Okay, I'm creating a variable this rate as double, since the Visual Basic function needs to have only double. So then the cash flow, right? Cash flow. I'm having that cash flow, or you can have it in short form. CF. CF means cash flow. Okay, cash flow as okay, cash flow. I'm going to create it as an array. So as double. In Visual Basic, we have to create the array in the rounded bracket, and we can give the size. I'm setting the size here to 10. 10 means that there are 10 years of cash flow can be taken. I mean, 10 data are capable of storing. We have created that discount rate as double, and the other variable is the cash flow. Okay, the cash flow here the size, the array size is 10. Okay, so then we have to see that here in this how the cash flow is being created for years, and we should know that exact location. Okay, so the location is there, the location is here. C3 is that discount rate, and then the cash flow is here in this C5, C5, D5, like this it will go. Okay, so that we could see here, so I'm getting that C3 is at discount rate. The discount rate cell value is there, the range of C3, so that value is be taken into the variable this rate. With the cash flow of 0, that is going to be that the array. Okay, the array sequence is C5, D5, G5, E5, F5, G5, then H5 till H. There are 6 years. We're gonna have that from 0 to 5. 0 to 5. Okay, the cash flow starts with 0 to 5. So we are changing that C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, because there's still H it's going on there. So we're supposed to do it till H. Okay, the one more thing should be added there in the next line. Fine. Okay. So once it's been added, we need to calculate that the same the net present value. For that, I'm going to have that variable EV, that is the evaluation. Okay, the estimated value. Or eval it's going to be the it's like keyword, so we'll have the variable EV. Okay, EV means the estimated value, the cash flow value is equal to then we're calling the function, the built-in function, that net present value, that discount rate comma the cash flow in the array data what we have, the cash flow data. So that will return back to the EV. That this EV we put which location we need to put here, then C. Okay, it should be in C6. C6 dot value is equal to the evaluation value, the evaluated estimated value. Then once it's completed, we can have that message box to display the cost estimation is being done successfully. Okay, the cash flow estimation is done successfully, like that we can have it. Okay, so So if you want to put that comma VB information also, so you can have that VB information. That's it. The code is clear. It's very simple code. Let I run this, see the cash flow estimation then successfully it comes. So what should we do it with this? So if you want to execute it again, just keep it a little more. Okay, once again I'll tell you what it's okay. Now we just change the value now. So the button, if you want to change the button name, it is there still button 1. Press Ctrl key and select the button and change, click and drag and change that estimation. The button I'm typing it estimate. Okay, when we click the button estimate, the cash flow needs to be estimated. So this is a simple example which I have given it. If you change the discount rate, click then it will be changing the value. We could see the difference whenever I am changing the discount rate. When I click after changing the discount rate, you just click on the button estimate. We will see the difference. See the value is being calculated according to the discount. If the discount, the value is increased. This is how it works. I hope you all you understood this concept. Thank you.